ready?
And receive a $500 gas card with a purchase or lease. 37 mile per gallon Portuguese, $129 a month. Get a $500 gas card with a purchase or lease of a 2012 Optima at Taylor Kia of Findlay.
I'm Steve Taylor, and I've got gas.
Agents, when it comes to insurance, people feel lost.
That's a dead end.
Don't know which way to turn.
This way. Turn around.
That's when we present people with options. Help them find coverage that fits their needs.
Almost there.
Hey! That's a new Maze record.
Really?
I have no idea. We don't keep track of that kind of stuff.
Oh, you should. We are insurance.
We are farmers.
Get the smallest meter in the world for free. Call today.
No way. Hollywood Treasure, the show that has the whole country buzzing. Everything this guy has is
I'll just cut it down.
It's going to be awesome. What in the world did you get this? Hollywood Treasure, an all-new season, premieres this Tuesday at 10. And it's Sci-Fi, Action Greater.
Let's see what you got.
Join Sci-Fi special guests to count down the biggest and bravest. Real superheroes, stunts, and over-the-top inventions. That's the youngest Bond villain in history. To decide who is insane or inspired. Premieres this Friday at 10, only on Sci-Fi, Action Greater. This is Street. I got a business. Way to go, Easy. Give me your relative, Barry. Do most of my position.
You need to push that bottom rack in.
Okay, just hold off on engagement. Let me get clarification.
He uses his freaking paws like hands.
What's
What's he looking for?
Oh, see you swinging move.
Isabella, what's Mother doing?
Operator, we are on secure line Alpha. We have found our target. Please advise. Just getting back to base. Henry, stay with us. Up and down. I'm on that ass.
Code 3, state your intentions.
My intentions are to reason with you, Eddie. All right, you're messing up. You are the future. The future's not allowed to act this way.
I'm designed to destroy the enemy, just like you.
Except for my orders. And right now, your orders is to return to base. Good pilots follow orders.
Idiot.
I'm the only one that's defending. But let's go home and put the ball around like this. This is crazy.
Okay, Gabe, I'm going to close the dishwasher. I'm going to close it.
Did you get what you were after, big guy? Huh?
Say bye to the dishes.